What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. So we're still working on the Tahoe right now, but today we're insulating the doors so when this thing bumps, we're not having so much rattle. Check it out. All right, Martin, tell me what we're doing.
So I keep breaking bushings on this, and I haven't found a press to actually put the pins in. So I made this little redneck engineering deal, and we're going to see if this works. Push that bushing in. You cannot hammer on them because all they do is break. They're very brittle. Okay, let's see if this happens. If it breaks, then we can edit the video. I ain't gonna count my chickens yet. Let's see. If that works, I am going to patent this deal. Oh my geez, I think it happened.
Eureka! Holy smokes.
So basically, bolt, socket, washer, nut. So that worked.
What do we call it? The Martin press?
The Martin press.
Right on the joint.
Why did you do that?
Right on the joint. It was real nice. Got it on sale.
It only hurt for a second.
Yeah. That's how it goes. Yes, doors. Alright, Martin, look at all this stuff.
Okay.
Left.
Alley-oop.
There we go, Martin.
Swing it towards me.
Let's start talking dirty to it.
Might have to. Stupid truck. Okay, there's that one. I wish I had small hands. Small hands, child.
You know who has small hands?
No, I don't. I got big fat sausage fingers.
Alex. Alex has small hands.
Okay, we're I do the same process with my black truck. So for all of you that don't know, they rivet these motors on. You can just replace the motor if the window doesn't want to go up and down. But this is a 99 Tahoe, and the best thing to do is just go ahead and replace the whole assembly. So, and of course they rivet them on, but this is the new assembly. So basically you're getting the motor, you're getting the whole gear mechanism and everything. And plus these are good. If you look on after age, these things get tore up. You can see that's got a flat spot in it and they start cracking. And then the window will fall because these will pop off the window track. So it's best to go ahead and replace the whole regulator and the motor.
What do you got there?
So this is the head of the rivet. That's all you're trying to accomplish with this, is just to get the, if you see here, basically want to drill it down to where you can pull the head of the rivet off, and then you just take a punch and you punch it through.
Sounds good to me.
Yep.
Almost sounds like a sheet metal guy.
Hey. We've heard stories about sheet metal guys.
Jackson, all trades here.
Yeah.
The story is, Martin actually had tools, unlike sheet metal.
So we're gonna try to rivet this on now.
Yeah, so the kit comes with these rivets.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is I know 2 of them go this way,
Mm-hmm.
and then the other 2 go that way, so we're going to have to run the regulator. Yeah, run the regulator somehow.
Okay.
With this guy here, let's get some pliers and let's bend these ends. See how they're opened up.
Yeah.
Might not have to. Yeah, I think they'll be fine. So,
Line up the holes.
yeah. I mean, I don't see why we can't run all 4 of them from the other side.
I mean, let's try it.
Let's try it. Put these in my pockets. Okay, hopefully this happens. You want to hold that side, Rich? The only downfall to these is having to rivet this stuff back on. Can I even do it with this hand? Yeah. Oh, is it splitting?
Starting to.
Okay. I know they make pneumatic ones, but I'm Poe, so.
Starting to. They don't make stuff easy, do they?
No, they don't.
It's split.
Okay, I don't have the hand strength.
Martin, what are the difficulties we're running into?
This tool decided it wanted to bind up, and now it won't work for some reason.
You know how we can get better tools?
Win the lottery.
Or hit me up my DMs to buy Robbie Sucks gear. Alright, so what's wrong?
Nothing.
Oh!
Go big or go home, right? Let's see. Oh, look at that. I'm all like, no. And that's what it's supposed to do, boys.
Well,
That saves some time, don't it?
Oh, sorry, camera.
Whoa. That was way too fast.
buy Robbie Sucks merch so I can pay for the tools I'm buying. So, we had to get the rod latches for the door lock and the door handle installed, but the old hardware broke when we removed it. So, we had a nut plate kit?
Yeah, nut plate kit. It's basically a Harbor Freight deal.
Yeah, a little Harbor Freight nut plate kit. So basically, I took one of those nut plates, and with me in my tiny hands, I reached back in here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. Yeah.
That's going to be...
You got a light? Yeah, we do. Hold on. And you could see...
You'll see the plastic clip on the bottom, and then the rod that goes to the top on the latch is supposed to
Well,
have...
anyway, you'll see that you can see the rods here. The rods go into the door mechanism right over here on this side where the light's like moving up and down. But basically, what I had to do is I had to take one of those nut plates, put it on the rod mechanism, and then make it latch. So it worked out. So if you're running the issue of, I don't have anything to go into this rod to keep it secure, try one of those Harbor Freight nut plate kits. It actually worked out pretty well. Just saying.
If you feel in the jam, there's another connector. Another connector in here. Fill the end of it.
With a small hand job.
I feel two harnesses. I feel the one connector. Put that up there. Do not move this door. You'll crash. You'll crack that connector.
No, there's not access from the...
Yeah, I got access. I'm in the back side of it. Yeah.
And they're all deep like today. I'm just glad you came by today.
Yeah. Sometimes. Alright, so we're now hooking up the harness to do the door lock test.
Yeah, we forgot about doing that one.
Yeah, it's okay. At first you don't succeed, you try. Try again. Hey Rich.
Yo.
How you feeling?
What's up? One day closer.
One day closer. Martin, how you feeling?
Yeah, but
Right, but what I'm saying is the module is not sending a signal to this side of the door.
no, I got that. But why is it unlocking it?
Huh?
It's because of the rear hatch? Is this some stupid Chevy thing where everything has to be closed for it to lock?
No.
No.
Because I look.
Get out of the vehicle,
Get out of the vehicle.
close the door.
Close the door.
Now try it.
Alright. That just locked.
It didn't lock. It went down and came back up again.
Huh. Well, what did this do?
Nothing. I can hear the gym module underneath the dash clicking.
Alright, explain to me what a gym module is.
So it's a module that interfaces between the remote and the factory wiring to unlock and lock the doors. If it's bad, it might only be actuating that door.
What does GEM stand for?
I don't know. It's generic electronic module or something like that.
Yeah, that sounds good enough for me.
Yeah.
But basically, the issue we're running into is that we've got the windows to roll up and down, but getting the doors to electronically actuate.
If you do it manually,
unlock and lock.
yeah, if you do it manually, it locks and unlocks the door. But if you try to, and that interface goes between all the controls.
Here, try to hit it on your side there. Yeah, so it works from the door. It does not work remotely. Alright guys, well, wire harnesses, relays, switches. We're not rocket doctors. Or are we?
No.
No. We could have a gem issue, right?
Yep.
Could be crystals. I'm not a rocktologist, geologist, whatever you want to call it. Again, not a doctor. But we'll get this thing done eventually. Rich, how you feeling?
It's work in progress, man.
Yeah, Martin?
Optimistic.
Yeah.
At best.
Optimistic at best.
Wow. Thanks,
Cool.
man.
Wow. A lot of confidence coming from the left side of the team here. You're right. Anyway, look, we're not pros. Sometimes people might even say we suck. It's okay to suck.
'Cause we don't
Just
give
don't
up.
give up.
Yeah, don't give up.
Don't give up.
We don't give up.
We're going to get this done. You guys know the drill. Keep supporting the channel. Like, subscribe. Hit me up if you want some of that sweet Robbie swag. And, yeah, we'll see you next time.
Peace.
Peace.
Okay, so it looks like that's good. Let's put a block of wood in the top. You got a block of wood?
Use my head.
Shit.